Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. If you're wondering where I've been, I ended up blowing my funded accounts, and it took a toll on me psychologically. So I want to take a little break from trading. On by break, all I meant is not posting. But I did start a new eval last week, and I passed it Friday. So we are on a new funded today. I opened it up this morning, and we did take this nice, beautiful trade on that funded. So, it's very unfortunate, but that's what I get for breaking my rules. I adjusted my daily loss limit, and I let uh, my maximum loss limit exceed what I would normally would have wanted, and one bad day led to a second bad day, and eventually led to a third bad day, and blew the account, and yeah. So, unfortunate, but you know, there's nobody to blame other than myself for adjusting that daily loss limit. But now I know my mistake, and you know, deter from that and be a better trader by following my rules. But anyways, I woke up a little late today. I did see this move, but I didn't take it. It was right, price was right around here when I woke up. So I would have wanted to get an entry down here in this fair value gap. If you're wondering why, I saw we had formed SMT on NQ and ES, right? ES is making a higher high there, while NQ made a lower low. So yeah, so that was respecting bullish order flow, right? So this would have been a nice entry here. But coming into the day, I was expecting everything to be normal. I should say we had no news Monday, right? Marked out the previous session's highs, low. But since this got close to that London low and created SMT, it was good enough for me. Oh, excuse me. But anyways, but look how price respected that London high, right? Hit it to the absolute tick before it rejected there. Um, but it wasn't until here where I saw what I believe is a mitigation block, right? But if you want to look at it in the 5 minute, there was a fair value gap here that you could look at, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, I don't want to confuse you guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead and remove that. But it's easier to explain why I took this trade if I mentioned the mitigation block. But anyways, it wasn't until here where we got a fair value gap and a breaker structure, this up close candle, where I decided to enter, wait for a retracement for entry, targeting this 4 hour high. Oh, I did not mention that I had marked out this 4 hour high as a draw of liquidity since it was the most prominent level of liquidity to the buy side. And yeah, price retraced here finally in the lunch session. And once this candle rejected it almost beautifully, like look at this, right? Maybe one tick over the fair value gap, but still. But once this closed, I entered with my stop at the low that created the displacement move, targeting that 4 hour high. Bada boom, bada bang. I feel like I yapped a little too much. Hopefully I didn't ramble on, but yeah, a draw of liquidity hit. That's all that matters. Is me having the right draw of liquidity on the day. That's always a win in my book. But yeah, I did record a video for you guys, so I would post this. Oh, we'll put it at the end of this so you guys could see. And I did. I wasn't in two cons. And if you're asking me why I was in two cons, I was confident in my draw of liquidity, and two, after I lost those fundeds, I feel like I needed to not get back to where I was, but I believe myself to be a good trader. So when I do take these A plus setups, that's when I should be leveraging, my position. But anyways, it's not yapping. See you guys next time. If we take a trade tomorrow, if not, I won't. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure I went over the 5 minutes, but core CPI, core PPI, that's about it. All right, guys, see ya.